Hello friends, this is Peter from Tech Analyst. Today we are going to see a different video from the technical analysis or price action video which I normally share in my YouTube channel. So today we are going to see about the market protection percentage in the market order. Before going into that, I just request my friends, those who are already watching my videos and those who are new to this channel, please take some time to subscribe. Just below this video you will find a subscribe button. Also click on a bell icon, so any video I upload you will never miss those videos. And if you like this video, please click a like button and share it to your trading friends, those who are into a market. Okay, so there is a two types of order. One is market order. Okay, second is the limit order. So what is limit order? Limit order is the price you fix and buy. So the desired price what you want to buy is the limit order. Now assume that the desired price is 100 you want to buy, the stock is trading at 103. So you place the order at limit 100. When the stocks comes to 100, it hit 100, your trade get executed at 100. This is the limit order. Okay, but the market order is little different from that. The market order, I am going to explain now about the market order. Market order is a type of order where one wishes to buy or sell script immediately at best price, best available current market price. In market order, execution of order is guaranteed. Please listen carefully. The execution order is guaranteed, but the execution price may vary. How? That I'm just write down here and I'll show you. Now if you want to buy a script at 100 rupees, okay, at 100 rupees, a 3000 quantity. So when you place at market order, okay, a 1000 quantity might have bought at 100, okay, but another 1000 quantity might have bought at 105. Another quantity might have 100,000 quantity might have bought at 110. So your desired quantity was 3000, you got it, but the desired price was 100, but you got at 105 average price, because due to the volatility in the market of the stock price, you may end up with buying a high price. This is the market price, market order. So to protect this market order, there is a protection percentage available in the bracket order. This applies across all the broker, those who are having a bracket order. This is not specific to particular broker. So I am going to show with the Astha Trade, but this is applicable across all the broker, those who are given a bracket order option. Okay, now we'll go into the protection percentage in the app. Yeah, I have opened the Astha Wave mobile app. It is already opened in my this thing. So here there is a protection percentage. You can see here I have added 3000 quantity. Here there is a offer and bid price. You can see here. Okay. Yeah, here there is a market order quantity. If you leave as it is in the 0, your order will executed in the market price, and if you place the price here like 100 something, then it will get that this is a limit order. Okay, so for market order it leave as it is 0. Okay, I think you got this point. Now I'll come to a protection percentage here. I have added the protection percentage of 3 here. Okay, now assume that Apollo Tire is trading at 101. So I submitted button immediately when it was in the 101, but my order got executed at 100. 1000 quantity got executed. So from the point where my 100,000 quantity got executed at 100, from that point the protection percentage will start calculating. So my protection, as per my protection percentage, 100 to 103 will be my buying price. Okay, so before placing the order 101 to 104, I plan to buy my execute my trade. But once the trade got executed, the first execution price, from that price this protection percentage will start calculating. So 100 to 103 will be my buying price. when the script falls in between this 100 to 103, my all 3000 quantity will get execute. So if it goes above 103.5, your order will not get execute. Only 1000 quantity what is got executed, that will remain as it is, but balance quantity will not get executed. When it come back again to 103, then the balance quantity will get executed. This is the protection percentage. Now what is the benefit in this? That as I explained earlier, if you want to buy 3000 quantity at 100, if sudden jump happens, this protection percentage will save you. Suddenly if it from 100, if it jump to 120 or 130, okay, this protection percentage will save you unnecessarily ending up with a buying at high price. Vice versa, if you sell the stock, your protection will be on the lower side. If you buy the stock, your protection will be on the higher side. So this protection percentage will help you. You will not end up with losing the money and the ending up buying with higher price. This is the use of this protection percentage. Friends, hope you understood what I am trying to explain on the protection percentage. This applies to across all the broker. This is not specific with Astha Trade. So protection percentage will help you protecting your capital. This is what the protection percentage works in the market. Hope friends understood, and please do not forget to share this video those who are trading with bracket order. It will help them to understand what is the protection percentage. Thank you. See you with a new video.